In this video, we will show you how to replace your front grille assembly on this Honda Accord. This will be located along the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. We're going to remove the front grille by removing several Phillips head screws across the top. You'll find there's 5 of them. Inspect your mounting hardware as you remove it. Replace it as necessary. The third one's located directly in the center here. Use a magnet for this one. At this point, it's pretty much dislodged, but what you'll find is you have 2 push clips holding it to the vehicle. We're going to take hold of this, give it a light tug straight forward. There we are. Now we can prepare to install the grille. Before we do it, have a look along the back side. You're going to have an alignment tab, and that'll slide into the headlamp assembly. You have one of these on each side. Let's carefully take this, align those alignment tabs, and press this into position. With that pressed into position, you can continue on to all 5 of your Phillips head screws making their way across. Let's start in our mounting hardware here. Let's get this one in here, right down in there. Once you have all of them started, continue on with aligning the grille. After that, snug them up. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our front grille assembly. At this point, you want to go ahead and close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test, and listen for funny noises. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.